Yeah, welcome guys. Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Adeola Deus, and today I'm going to show you how you can actually set up your Facebook page. How you can set up your Facebook page. So the first thing you need to do is to log onto your Facebook. I want to believe everybody watching this video right now must have a Facebook account. So all you just need to do is to log onto your Facebook, facebook.com. That's facebook.com. You must have sign up with Facebook. All right, haven't done that. Okay, now this is my own Facebook account. This is my Facebook account. Now my Facebook account is actually different from my Facebook page, and a Facebook page is actually meant for brands, for organization, and it's meant for people who create content, you understand, to actually post updates about their stuffs, online. Are you getting it now? So that is what a Facebook page is all about. So if you're a content creator, or you run a brand, you run a business, you run an organization, you should actually have a Facebook page. Alright guys, so all you just need to do now is to go to pages. You click on pages. For me, you see several pages I've created already. I've created so many pages before now, so all I just have to do now is to click on create a new page. Alright, you can actually do this with your smartphone. Okay, for example, now they're asking me for this detail. They said page name is required. Page name. So every page has its own unique name. Like I said, your page is different from your normal Facebook account. Your Facebook page is meant for you to promote content, for your fans, for your customers to get to know updates about what is obtainable in your brand, or what they can actually get for your services. Alright, so that's why you need a Facebook page. So Facebook page is also used for, you can use a Facebook page to run ads, like Facebook adverts, for products you sell online or your services. Alright, so I'm going to impute my Facebook name, my page name for this business. Now it's called Iron's Concepts. Now the question is, can I use my phone to create a Facebook page? Yes, you can use your phone to create a Facebook page. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to go to category. I've actually imputed my Facebook page name, which is Iron's Concepts. You can see that here, Iron's Concepts. So I need to get a category for this Iron Concepts. Iron's Concepts is actually an event management business. So I'll just look for event planner. Yes, so Iron's Concept is an event planner. So I'll just write in my description. I'll just have to impute my description. I'll just say alright, you can see that now Iron's Concept is the #1 event planning and management company in Benin City, Edo State. Alright, so all I just have to do now is to click on create page. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I've been able to create this page. Alright, so we now have this Iron's Concept, the category. What does Iron's Concept do? So for someone visiting your page, for example, now they get to see that, okay, this person is actually an event planner. You can see that now. Then what is a description. Like every business should have its own description. So you say Ayins Concept is the #1 event planning and management company in Benin City, Edo State. Alright, now I'm not done with that yet. So all I just have to do now is to add a profile picture, add a cover photo. So for me to do this now, I need a logo. Alright, this part is known as my profile picture, while this part is known as my cover photo. Alright, so I need to get a logo for Ayins Concept. Now how do I get a logo? If Ayins Concept actually has a logo, all I just have to do now is to upload a logo into this. You understand? So what I'm going to do, for the sake of this course, all I'm going to do now is to upload a logo I have on my desktop. I'll upload a logo I have on my desktop, probably the one you have on your phone. You can do the same thing. Alright, so all I just have to do now is to just click on add profile picture. I want to add a logo. I want to add a logo to this. It's very simple. It's very simple. Just follow the process and then you will be able to create one for yourself, for your brand. Alright, this is a logo. I want to use this logo for the sake of this course. I'm going to use this logo, the Splendor Vogue. Alright, but this is not Ayins Concept logo. Then add a cover photo. Add a cover photo. The cover photo, I could just have probably jobs I've done before, maybe jobs done by Ayins Concept before. I could just have it there. I could add this. Let me say I'm trying to get something nice actually. You should be able to get a very good cover photo. You understand? A cover photo for your business. Okay, you should be able to get that. I'm coming. Alright, let me use this for example. Let me use GLIMS Media as this cover photo. Now this GLIMS Media, alright, like I said, you could use your previous jobs as your cover photo, whichever one you choose. Alright, so I chose this one, GLIMS Media, as my cover photo, and then I'll click on save. It will appear here now. It's gonna appear here. It's still saving. Can you see that? It's still saving, showing. So right now we have been able to upload our cover photo. So it's requesting for a phone number. Alright, a phone number. I can decide to add this now, but I'm not going to add this at the moment. I will skip this process because this is not my Facebook page. It's for a client. Alright, it's not my own, it's for a client. So I need to add a WhatsApp number so that she can verify. They will send you a code as soon as you just put your phone number. For example, let me put my phone number, 0028 0028. Alright, so once I just click on this send code, they automatically send me a code for verification, and as soon as I verify the code, then this WhatsApp number will be connected to this page. But I don't want to do that because this is not my Facebook page, it's for a client. So I'll have to exercise patience until, for the sake of this course, let me just skip this process. Alright, are you sure you want to leave? Cancel. I'm coming. leave. Alright, so all I have to do now is to send invites to friends to to like this page. See all friends. I could just send a few friends, Rachel, just send them a request to join my page. I'll invite them to my page. Okay, this is my business page. So that's what you're going to do, whether you are doing it for a client or you are doing it for yourself, for your business. If you are a content creator, like a musician, an entertainer, you understand, you just need to send invites to persons to like your Facebook page that you just created. Alright, so I've been able to do that. Now it's now late for my friends to accept my invite. You understand? So what I'm going to do now is to, as they said, 5 of 13 steps completed. Establish your page identity. Alright, I've added a cover. Okay, I've not. It's not reflecting yet. Let me add a cover photo. Add a cover photo. I'll click on this. Add a cover photo. I'll click on edit. I'll upload photo. Alright, I was gonna use, or let me use this particular image here. Let me use this image. Alright, based on stuff I've done before, let me use this, but it's not necessary. You can just use a graphic design as your cover photo. Alright, it's very simple, creating a Facebook page. Alright, so I could just bring this down, then click on save changes. So by the time you check it now, you see that okay, it's already showing here. You can see that now. So the next thing is to create a username for your Facebook page. Alright, let me just say Iron's Concepts. Alright, Iron's Concepts, then you click on this X button. Alright, it's not going to show because it's a new page, that's why it's not showing now. You understand? So create a page name, choose a category completed. Alright, so it says 6 steps remaining. Does your business already have a website? No, we don't have a website. Location and info, Airport Road, Benin City, Benin, 300 212, 300 212. Alright, so then I close that. Alright, so add business hours. We open 24 hours a day, always open, so I'll just click on always open. Alright, then I close that. Do you prefer people contact you through WhatsApp? I'm not ready to add the WhatsApp now. Add an action button. Let me click on this. Add an action button. So right now I'm teaching you, I'm trying to teach you how to how to create a Facebook page. You understand how to create a Facebook page? So you could just use book now, or instead of book now, let me just say call now. Okay. Alright, add a button, call now. So this, we are not in USA, we are in Nigeria, so I'll have to change this from US to Nigeria. So I have to add our phone number. I have to add our phone number. I'll add this later. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, this is how to create a Facebook page. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to create a post. So all I just have to do now is to create a post, write something to Ian's Concepts, just post it, and then you close your stuff, then you post, you click on post. Very easy, just the same way you post, you create a post on your Facebook account. Alright, then what if you are going to add an admin to your Facebook page? It's very easy. What you just need to do is to go to settings, you go to settings, then you go to pages row, you click on pages row, or page rows rather. Then once you click on page rows, you look for admins. Page row, you click on page row. Yes, so assign a new page row. Alright, assign a new page row, assign a new page row. So all you just have to do now is you just need to assign a new page row. So I want to add someone as an admin to this page. Alright, so I'll just click on admin, and then I'll now search for the friend on Facebook. Alright, she's a friend on Facebook. I have so many of them on my Facebook answering that name, so I want to be sure of the person that gave me this job to do for her. Okay, so if I've been able to find this person, actually all I just have to do now is to send an admin request to this person. While she accepts it, and then she also becomes an admin on our own Facebook page. Okay, so it's very simple. Also, you can link your Facebook page to your Instagram account. It's very simple. As you can see that, you see Instagram. Okay, you see that it's very simple. So all you just need to do is to add, I want to add a username to this Ian's Concepts. Ian's Concepts. Alright, Ian's Concepts. So they are asking me now to add other accounts, add account name, other account like Instagram. You see that now. So I'll just enter account username. Once I add the account username, that means it will be linked to my my Instagram app. So any post I make on my Instagram, it will also reflect on my Facebook page. So it is very simple to create a Facebook page. It is very simple to create a Facebook page. So if I want to go back to the home of Ian's Concept, I'll just click on this Ian's Concept, and then it takes me back to Ian's Concept. So they are still requesting me now to add the WhatsApp number. So I'm not ready to add that. I want the person to be online. Then I'll now add the phone number. Then she verifies, she sends me a code, and then I finish the job. Alright, so it's very simple. You can try this. Okay, you can try this, and then make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any question to ask me concerning how to create a Facebook page, please do not hesitate to send me a message via WhatsApp. Alright, I'm always available to answer your question through WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please remember to subscribe on my channel.